Good morning. It's another blustery morning in northwest Wyoming. It's not all that cold. It's about 41, but man, that breeze, it just bites through you. It's coming at us, I don't know, anywhere from 15 to 20, 25 miles an hour. Got the calves behind me. You can see them. Got a guy coming over to take a look at a couple of them. We might sell off a couple of these steers here. But got to get these guys watered, taken care of, fed. Then I got to run to town and then meet him back over here this afternoon. So going to get busy and get to work. Oh, all right, same process every day. Get the pump set up here. Get our suction hose. Hook up the suction hose. Throw it in the creek. Man, I got to tell you, this system is so much better than what we had before. So much faster. I'm gonna grab the hose. All right, they're primed. Hey, 17.3. How you doing, buddy? All right, we'll get this thing turned on, get that tank filled, get the mama cow tank filled. All right, there we go. Water filling her up. Shouldn't take long today to fill this. They didn't drink as much as, didn't drink very much. I topped it off yesterday afternoon, so because I couldn't get this thing going, had there was some slush in the water hose, the suction line. So it took me a while to get it filled up yesterday afternoon, so I didn't drink much. So it shouldn't take me very long to fill that one up. Then I'll pull over and I'll fill up mama cow over here and get her some grain. So I think I'll probably try to just get the truck over there now, and got to keep an eye on that hose right there, make sure it didn't come out. But I'll get the truck moved over there and then get everybody taken care of. Hey, if you're getting anything out of this video, if you're enjoying this, enjoying any of the content, please do me a favor and like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I sure appreciate it. Thank you. All right, I'll grab these buckets for this girl here. Somebody did not close the gate. Hi, Ben. Hi, sweetheart. All right. All right. A little noisy here, sorry. Right. Looks like the wind still knocked this off of here. Try her again. Hopefully it'll stay on. All right. Hi, Mama. Where's that baby at? Where's that little baby at? Come here, sweetheart. Come on, girl. You're all right, Mama. You're all right, Mama. You're all right, Mama. You're all right. You're all right. There you go, babe. All right. Now, get this enclosed. All right, now we'll go get that pump. We'll drag it over here. All right. That's about it for today. This won't take very long to fill up, but you do get a good look at the little baby calf here. She's funny, she's got all that hair right now. That hair is kind of a brown, and then where she doesn't have a lot of hair around her eyes and her nose, it's real dark, so almost looks like a buffalo the way she's looking right now. She's a really good looking calf though. Really good looking. She's solid. Really nice. So be glad to have her as an addition here. Oh, you kids. We'll I gotta leave in a couple of days to go back to the rig. I'll be gone for another week. So I'll leave Monday and I'll be back the following Tuesday. So 8-9 days, whatever the heck it is. As soon as we get that done, we're gonna have to get everybody in, treat them. We got to get all the heifers bangs vaccinated. And after we get them bangs vaccinated, we'll kick everybody out. We'll keep in the bull calves in the bull, and of course that one steer, the bigger steer. And from there, we'll kick everybody else out. It'll be nice for these two to get out, stretch their legs a little bit. And by that time, we'll put the bull back out in July. So they'll calve in May, just like we got going on now. We'll breed her back again during that time frame. And we should, at that point, have everybody synced up and on a good time frame. Let me shut this pump off.